Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious small quiches, perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to preparing the delightful pastry crusts. Next, we'll mix up a creamy egg custard with your favorite fillings. Finally, I'll guide you through baking them to golden perfection, ensuring a wonderful treat for your guests or a lovely meal for yourself. It's a straightforward process that yields impressive results. Now, let's get our crusts ready for these adorable mini quiches. You'll want to roll your pie dough to about 1/8 inch thick, then use a 3-inch round cutter to create perfect circles. Gently press these into your muffin tin or mini quiche pans. For the filling, remember to sauté ingredients like spinach or bacon beforehand. This helps remove any excess moisture, ensuring your quiches aren't watery. All right, it's time to bring everything together for our delicious quiches. In a bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 cup of rich, heavy cream. Season this lovely mixture with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a tiny pinch of black pepper for flavor. Distribute your cooked fillings and about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese evenly into each crust. Then, carefully pour the egg custard, filling each about 3/4 full. Finally, let's get these mini quiches baked to perfection. Pop them into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll need about 20 to 25 minutes to bake, or until the centers are beautifully set and golden brown. Once baked, let them cool in the pan for just 5 minutes before carefully removing them. Serve them warm or at room temperature. They're absolutely delightful either way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.